Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and it's going to be a first video on this channel, so I hope you will like it. And in this video I'm going to show you how to exactly use an autoclicker software program, and for that purpose I'm going to use OP Autoclicker. You can download from its official website. So let's start. When you open it, you see something like that. This is the interface of an OP Autoclicker, the motor. And from here you can set the click intervals, the intervals between the automatic clicks, and it is set to 100 milliseconds. It's a little fast for me, so let's set it to 3 seconds. Okay, so from here you can select the uh, button of the mouse you desire to delete, and if you are working if you want to open an app on desktop, you select the double clicks, or and if you are working online, you can select the single click option. And if you want the clicks to be repeated until it is stopped, you select this option. And if you want a specific time, if you want it to be clicked at specific times, you can set the particular times the click you desire to be repeated. And from here you can set the cursor position. If you want to pick a specific location, you can do that from here. So from here the auto you can, if you want to change the hotkey, you can do it from here. And from clicking, if you are using a laptop, you can just press function key plus F6 key to start an autoclicker. And if you're using a desktop PC, you can just click F6 and it is going to start automatically, or you can start from here only. And if you go to stop button, I have set here the click interval 3 seconds. If you click start, now automatically after 3 seconds it will automatically click on the stop button and it is going to be stopped. So yeah, that's simple, and that's how an automatic software program works. If you want to record and playback your auto clicking marks or auto clicking map, you can record it from here, from this option. And yeah, that's all. So let's do change the click intervals to 5 seconds, and then click start, then wait for 5 seconds. As you can see, it is automatically stopped. So that's how an autoclicker works, and that's going to be all. And if I left anything or I missed anything, you can comment on the video and let me know. Okay, thanks.